So Dev wants to talk about healthcare? Alright, let's talk about healthcare. Dev is proposing that we take insurance and move it to a federal level so that government is responsible for covering everybody. That sounds good, right? Universal healthcare under the government. But let's take a look at our numbers and compare them to those of a system that works. America has 318.9 million people currently living in it. We have a federal deficit of 18.2 trillion. Per person, that's a debt of $57,071. That's quite a bit. But now let's look at Great Britain's numbers, whose plan we're practically stealing. They have 64.1 million people living in Great Britain. They have a federal deficit of 4.6 trillion pounds, which translates in about $6.96 trillion. That's almost double the per capita debt. So they have a national health care system. We have a lot more people to protect and to cover. Where's that money going to come from, Dev? You're cutting taxes to make them flat, and as I said before, that's just not going to work. So how are you going to cover everyone while not touching this number? What's your plan, Dev? Also, another thing about the insurance, if you're going to demolish the privatized sector, what's going to happen to all those people who are jobless? I guess they'll be covered with your health plan.